Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're re-diving into a question you might have never even thought to ask. Why do we have two ears? I mean, one ear seems to work just fine, right? Well, it turns out having two ears is like having a superpower for sound, and it's all about teamwork. Let's get into it. Imagine you're walking down a busy street. A car hops. Instantly, without even looking, you know exactly where that sound is coming from. To your left, to your right, behind you. Your brain figures this out in a split second, and it's all thanks to your two ears acting like a pair of super sophisticated sound detectives. This incredible ability is called sound localization. Here's how it works. When a sound comes from your right, the sound waves hit your right ear a tiny fraction of a second before they reach your left ear. We're talking microseconds here, but your brain is so powerful it can detect this minuscule time difference. This is known as the interaural time difference, but that's not all. The sound that reaches your right ear is also slightly louder and clearer than the sound that reaches your left ear. Why? Because your head is in the way. Your head acts as a natural sound barrier, creating a sound shadow. So the sound that has to travel around your head to get to your other ear is a bit muffled and quieter. Your brain picks up on this difference in volume, called the interaural level difference, and uses it as another clue. By combining both the time and volume differences, your brain triangulates the sound's origin with amazing accuracy. It's like having a built-in GPS for sound. This was a crucial survival skill for our ancestors. Being able to instantly tell where a predator was rustling in the bushes or where prey was scurrying could mean the difference between life and death. Having two ears also helps us focus on a single sound in a noisy environment. Think about being at a loud party. You can tune out all the background chatter and focus on the conversation you're having with one person. This is called the cocktail party effect. Your brain uses the information from both ears to filter out unwanted noise and amplify the sound you want to hear. If you only had one ear, everything would blend into a confusing mess of sound. Let's do a little experiment. Try plugging one of your ears and have a friend walk around you while talking. It becomes much harder to pinpoint their exact location, right? You might know they're generally on one side, but the precision is gone. That's because you've taken away half of your brain's data. Furthermore, two ears provide a richer, more immersive listening experience. It's the reason we love stereo sound in music and movies. Stereo recordings send different sounds to your left and right ears, mimicking how we hear in real life and creating a sense of space and depth. It makes you feel like you're right there in the middle of the action. So, to sum it up, having two ears isn't just a matter of symmetry. It gives us 3D hearing, helps us locate sounds with pinpoint accuracy, allows us to focus our attention in noisy places, and provides a richer, more detailed soundscape. Our ears are a remarkable feat of natural engineering, working together as the ultimate sound detecting duo. next time you hear a bird singing or a siren wailing, take a moment to appreciate the incredible teamwork happening on either side of your head. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more curious content. We'll see you in the next video.